Experiencing 4G connectivity issues with your ALDI mobile service? Don't worry, it's a common problem with a few simple solutions. ALDI Mobile, as an MVNO, relies on major networks like Verizon, so understanding how your phone connects is key. First, let's address APN settings. Your APN, or access point name, is how your device accesses the internet. For ALDI Mobile, the APN should be wholesale if you are on a Verizon-backed plan or TF Data if you are on an AT&T-backed plan. To check this on Android, go to Settings, Mobile Networks, Access Point Names. On iOS, navigate to Cellular Data Options, APN. Ensure the correct APN is selected. If it's incorrect, manually change it and save. Next, try a network reset. This clears any corrupted configurations. On Android, go to Settings, System Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. After the reset, reboot your device. These two steps resolve many 4G connectivity problems. According to recent data, APN fixes resolve 60% of issues, and network resets another 25%. If your ALDI Mobile 4G is still not working after checking APN settings and performing a network reset, the issue might be signal strength. Signal strength is crucial for reliable 4G connectivity. Check your phone's signal bars or use a signal testing app to measure the dBm reading. Aim for a reading better than -100 dBmers, with closer to -50 dBm being ideal for strong 4G performance. To improve signal strength, move to an open area away from obstructions like buildings or metal structures. Check ALDI's coverage map via their website or app to confirm 4G availability in your location. Consider using a signal booster for indoor use, ensuring it's FCC approved to enhance your cellular signal reliably. Also be aware of emerging trends. ALDI Mobile now has a one-tap 4G optimizer feature in their app to auto-adjust APN and suggest resets. Keep your ALDI app updated to access these improvements. Although the future points to 5G expansion, 4G remains vital for many ALDI users. Expect 4G fixes to evolve with AI-driven diagnostics using machine learning to predict and resolve issues. Remember, if problems persist, contact ALDI customer service for personalized assistance.